Hello! Today I'll be carving stamps using these erasers. So I've been told that the great thing about carving on erasers is that it's very beginner friendly, in that they're nice and firm and blades will glide smoothly through the eraser. They're also really cheap. I got this for a little over $1. First, I'm starting by sketching my design on paper using a pencil. Today I'm doing a little sushi roll. I don't have tracing paper, so I'm just using regular paper, which should work as well. I'm making sure that I'm pressing hard enough so that the drawing will transfer to the eraser. And it went on really faint, but that's okay. It's just enough so that I can trace it again with pencil. I'm also drawing the inside of the sushi roll to carve as separate stamps. For carving, I got this speedball lino cutter set, which comes with 5 blades of different shapes and sizes. It has this very small gouge, as well as a wider U-gouge for larger surface areas, and this V-gouge for deeper cuts. Also this blade, which can be used like a knife and for precision cuts. This is the blade I'm using first to cut each piece into separate stamps. First is the seaweed outline of the sushi. So I'm starting by outlining the circle with this V-gouge. I'm not getting too close to the line yet because you can always carve more if it's not enough, but you can't undo what you've already carved. So I'm just being extra careful until I get a bit more comfortable with it. I saw this tip somewhere, but I'm using this kneaded eraser to clean the eraser shavings. And then I just carve the rest of the areas with a U-gouge. So far the blade is gliding really smoothly through the eraser, and I think I'm getting a little bit better at controlling the cuts. Once I've carved most of the outside area, I'm just going to go one step further and slice off the extra corners and edges. Okay, now I'm ready to test my carvings with some ink. I'm dabbing the stamp lightly on the ink pad to make sure I get full coverage. It's looking real solid, but the outline looks a little bit jagged, so now that I can see the carving more clearly on my stamp with the ink on it, I'm just gonna quickly clean up the edges. So I was able to get the circle looking a bit more smooth this time around, but I like that it still looks handmade. I got ink in a whole bunch of different colors, so I can use a different color for each piece of the sushi. Since the inside stamps are really small and not connected, it took me a few tries to get it in the right position, but I got it eventually. Little sushi eraser stamp. These are so tiny. I feel like they'd be great for making postcards or maybe just cards since the holidays are coming up. But I'm gonna play around with these and maybe make some other stamp designs and just see what I can come up with. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!